Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be creating an Underfun game, and this game's name is Princess vs. Wizard. So to start off, I'm in CodeDark Play Lab, and I'm going to go ahead and set my background. So I'm going to set my background to rainbow, but you guys could set it to anything. The reason I'm setting it to rainbow is because I think it really sets the two actors or characters. And then I'm going to set my actors or characters. I'm going to grab the two blocks first. So actor number 1 is going to be a wizard. And actor number 2 is going to be a princess. Now, anytime you play a game and you're just starting it, the score is always at 0. So we're going to go ahead and set our score to 0. So now we're going to be writing a loop for our wizard, because in the game, the wizard is going to be controlled by the computer, and the princess is going to be controlled by us using the keys, the arrow keys in our keyboard. And the princess has to try to catch the hearts, but not the fireballs thrown by the wizard. The wizard is going to be throwing the fireballs and the hearts randomly. And we kind of need to control the princess using our keys and make her not touch the fireballs, because the fireballs are subtract of her high score. So it's going to be a subtract of her score. Then the hearts are going to be an addition of her scores. So let's first write the code for the wizard to move randomly. Random 15 pixels. Now let's write the code for the wizard to throw things. Randomly throw blue fireballs. Copy and paste that. And randomly throw purple hearts. We're going to be writing code for our arrow keys so we can move the princess. I'm going to go to evens and do went up arrow first. Actions. So move actor 2, which is our princess, up 15 pixels. So when up arrow clicked, move actor 2 up 15 pixels. So like that, I'm going to be doing it to down, left, and right. Like that, I did it for all of them, and this is how it looks now. Now we're going to be writing the code for the win and lose part. So what's going to happen is this game is like the game where the game keeps on going. It never ends. So, first of all, when actor 2, which is our princess, touches blue fireball, we're gonna lose a point. So, go to game and score, remove 1 point. So, I'm also going to be adding a little touch with some music. So, I'm going to play lose point 2 sound. And now, like that, I'm gonna go ahead and do for the win part. Event when actor 2 touches purple hearts, add 1 point and play win point 2 sound. Now let's test out this game, the fun part. So run. Oh no. Yes. Oh yes. So hope you guys had really fun making this game with me. This was also a fun game to make. And I am a person who really loves games that kind of never end, take your time, and it's kind of fun. So remember to subscribe and ring the bell button for more videos like this. Bye, see you next time.